looks like I can't even see what's in front of me.
Careful, it's ice though. We're on like a creek.
What ice?
Right under us.
Serious? How do you know, like, it's dark? I'm not going further, guys. No. Paparazzi.
Hey, what's going on though? Why are you being scared?
We can't. Okay.
Where are we heading?
Where are we heading?
Let's go. Noxie. Come on, people. Come on. You have a good ride? You have a good ride, buddy. You had a good ride. Marcus's room. It's actually a pretty sick spot.
No.
Yeah.
Kananaskis.
Hey. Oops. This is our little weekend getaway. What's up, Max? What's going on? Oh. No, we're not going out yet. Making some breakfast for the lads. You got your banana bread?
Hey, no, who wants it? Who wants it?
Let's go, buddy. This guy's not ready.
Yeah, no, let's go. Alright, guys, let's go.
As you can see, we forgot one of our leashes. But car is started. I thought I started it. Maybe it's shut off.
Okay, guys, we made it to the surf spot. Unpacking. Let me show you. So this is what it looks like at this time, and then when they open the actual dam, the whole thing goes. Guys, we are out here at Kananaskis, just kind of beside Canmore, a little outside of Calgary, about an hour. We are in the coolest spot to surf here in the winter, and we brought our friend along, so I've kind of been recording them surfing while I'm just kind of here freezing my butt off. But it's a super nice day actually today. We got lucky. It's I think about 2 degrees, so it's not too bad, but we're right on the water, so it's a little bit colder. I'll show you. So here's kind of what is going on. Our friend is trying to learn. Josh is trying to teach him, if it'll focus. It won't focus. Come on, focus. Anyways, there you go. He's trying to learn with a rope. Doesn't seem to be working out too well yet, but yeah, and then they go down the river. It's kind of scary. You have to paddle pretty hard to get back, but you kind of come up on the side like he is and then walk in the water around. But I'll show you Josh. He does really well usually, but he's also been doing this for a a while. Like we've been here a few times for sure. And then there he goes. What are we doing?
We are having a little barbie. Because why not?
Got the portable barbecue here. All set up. Little tailgate party.
Chef Powell. Fire or what?
Really good.
Mm-mm-mm. Gearing up to get it. We made it back to Edmonton, guys. I just finished unloading everything. Everything's wet, as you can imagine, so it needs to dry. But yeah, I realized we did not film on the way back, so this is gonna be pretty much the main outro. We're gonna get Marcus up next time. I don't know if you saw, but we were trying pretty hard. He was trying pretty hard. He was getting tired. Honestly, most people don't figure it out their first time, so whenever we're like in the moment, we just don't film. Like when we're having fun, we just forget. So it's not a complaint, but it makes the video ending really bad. So here it is. Made it back to Edmonton. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for more.